Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three cryptocurrencies which are HEX, XRP Ripple and BOTX. We will see where they are going to move over the next weeks and months. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free, while to receive our insights and our newsletter about commodities, stocks, cryptos and Forex, then you can join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with HEX. Here we have a daily chart, which means every candle is a daily one. What we see here is that actually after a prolonged period of low volatility with the price moving horizontally, we've experienced the breakout around 0.025. From here we have experienced a huge run-up. Right now we see a clear point of control, which means a huge increase in terms of volumes. We see those two spikes in volumes in association with a very long white candle. What happened here is that we see a very long white candles, which means the difference between the point of high and the point of low is quite extreme. So what we should be expecting now for HEX? If you are hodling the asset, I kindly warn you that we are right now hitting the top, the relative top, if not the absolute top for the next weeks. So I suggest you to keep profit, take a profit, or if you want, at least taking profit for half of the position and then letting go the second half. Even if I do believe we are definitely going back to 0.10 US dollar over the next weeks with almost certain. Almost certainly we are going to see 0.05 US dollar late in 2021, beginning of 2022. Right now, it's quite clear that the big hands, the whales, have sold their HEX to the retail traders, which actually found themselves in the net. So now the new direction is this one. So we're definitely going back to 0.10 US dollar. From here, we will see a rebound to then move to 0.05 US dollar. If you are eager to buy HEX, you should be waiting firstly 0.10 US dollar for a very first strong rebound, and definitely 0.05 US dollar in late 2021, 2022. Now let's move on and let's analyze Ripple. What we see here, thanks to TradingView, we see the priced inside two envelopes which are two triangular moving averages, which are enclosing the price as envelopes, while beneath we see two kind of different cycles, the Magnus cycles and the different one. Okay, what we see here is that actually it is a daily chart. We have hit the relative low for Ripple for the next weeks, which means for those one who are eager to buy a Ripple, right now is the correct momentum, is the correct time when you want to buy or to accumulate onto XRP, because I do believe we are going to move up to retest this area between 1.20 and 1.30 US dollar over the next months, over the next weeks. So I would say August, September, October, we are definitely going to move up. Okay, so we see here perfect cyclicity. Obviously, I've already explained several times that in terms of cyclicity, it's very rare to find the same kind of cycles, both in terms of amplitude and in terms of length, which is the difference, the distance between 2 point of lows. As you can see here we see a kind of cycle which is longer than this one. Okay, yet the upper boundaries and lower boundaries are extremely great in predicting the point of lows and the point of highs. For example, here if we analyze the Magnus cycles, once the white curve is crossed above the upper threshold, or at least has hit the upper threshold, we have actually experienced the relative high at almost 2 US dollar for Ripple. Right now, what we see here is that the white curve has crossed below the lower band. We are then waiting for the white curve to cross above the lower band, like in this case. And this will be the trigger signal for us to buy onto XRP. Anyway, if you want to wait this momentum, you can already start accumulating to XRP for a strong rebound, which could be at least a 2x, if not 3x over the next weeks. Let's also clarify where we are in terms of weekly chart, which will give us the prediction for the future, the next future. As you can see here, we are right now inside a very risky momentum with actually what happened in the past when we have experienced the white curve moving or actually the slope of the white curve being negative. We have experienced the movement down. Yet, if we analyze the orange curve here for the minor cycle, it's still up. The derivative is still positive, which is a very positive signal for us. So I do believe we are going to rebound from the current level till 1.20 US dollar over the next 3 months. Now let's analyze BOTX. What is happening right now here is that we have experienced a huge breakout above 0.20 US dollar. With from 0.20 US dollar, we have experienced a vertical movement till 180 US dollar. Right now is the correct moment to sell your pocket of BOTX coin. You want to sell your position and actually re-enter on BOTX not before 0.80 US dollar, if not this area, which is even more safe, which is around 0.50 US dollar. So 0.50 US dollar will be hit over the next month. Right now, this chart is clearly telling us that we want to sell our position. If you have any position on BOTX coin, I do suggest to sell, take profit, enjoy your life, and wait for the correct moment when you want, if you want to re-enter on BOTX coin. Okay, guys, if you want to join our growing community on Patreon, you can find the link in the description field. Thank you, guys.